Welcome to our channel. Managing data usage while accessing your state unemployment portal is important, especially if you have limited data plans. Follow these steps to reduce your data consumption. Step 1. Connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible before accessing your state unemployment portal to avoid using cellular data. Step 2. Enable data saver mode in your browser settings, which compresses web pages and reduces the amount of data downloaded. Step 3. Disable autoplay for videos and animations in your browser to prevent unnecessary data usage while navigating the portal. Step 4. Close all other browser tabs and applications that might be using data in the background while you access the portal. Step 5. Download necessary forms and documents while connected to Wi-Fi rather than viewing them online to reduce streaming data usage. Step 6. Use the mobile app version of the unemployment portal if available, as apps are often optimized to use less data than web browsers. Step 7. Clear your browser cache and cookies before accessing the portal to ensure you're not downloading redundant data. Step 8. Limit the frequency of portal visits by checking only when necessary and batching multiple tasks in a single session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.